Friends, today I will show you 2 secret natural home remedy. If you use those formula correctly, then your ringworm will say goodbye. Let's know what is ringworm. Ringworm is a type of infection. The fungus mainly lives by eating proteins. So where the protein is in the body, the ringworm is there. Guys, today I will make 2 natural remedy. If you use those formula properly, your ringworm will be removed. So let's start it. Whatever is needed to make the fast natural remedy. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera contains 6 antiseptic agents that, according to research, exhibit antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral activities. Apply the gel from an aloe vera plant onto the ringworm patch 3 or 4 times daily. The gel also has cooling properties, so it may soothe itchy and swollen skin. Coconut oil. Using coconut oil to treat ringworm is exceptionally easy. Coconut oil has both microbial and antifungal properties that can help treat ringworm infections. Camphor. Camphor is widely used in Chinese medicine and is equally good in treating ringworm infection as it is loaded with antifungal properties. Fats. Take 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon coconut oil. Add 1 tablespoon camphor powder. Then mix well. First time, wash your skin. Then apply your ringworm. After 30 minutes, wash with normal waters. Regular use 6 to 7 days, you will get good results. Second step. First, divide 1 bitter gourd in 2 to 3 pieces. Regularly eating bitter gourd as a part of your daily diet is known to prevent skin ailments like psoriasis and fungal infections like ringworm and athlete's foot. Take ½ tablespoon coconut oil in a bowl. Add ½ tablespoon camphor powder. Then mix well. At fast, wash your skin. In this home remedy, apply your ringworm. After ½ hours, wash with normal water. If you use those natural remedy properly, then your ringworm problem will be solved. If you want to get more solution, please visit our website. If you want to know something, please comment. Subscribe this channel to get more helpful video.